Hi guys, this is another random item off Thingiverse that's caught my eye and I've decided to print it. This is Mini Wave Desk Toy by Yoblipa. That's the Thingiverse thing number 4524572. Now, in the details on the Thingiverse write-up, the guy did say that your chances of getting it off the bed are very slim because we're actually using filament here to join them together, and that's got virtually no strength at all. So if you try and lift it up, the chances are you're going to break it. He reckoned he took 3 attempts to do his. Well, it's taken just short of 5 hours to print it, so I don't really fancy redoing this 3 more times. What I'm going to do is put the camera on the tripod so we can actually watch me do it, and if it fails I will edit the audio. It does occur to me that if it does fail we could probably try and replace the filament with cotton, but the advantage of it all being printed is everything's the right length. Anyway, I'll put you on the tripod and we'll see if we can get it off. Right, I've turned the printer off so it should be a bit quieter. The advice is to put this piece on the top of there to help hold it all steady while you're trying to get it off. That doesn't want to go on there, and I'm worried about... got it. Okay. Right, they're on. Gosh. Right, 1 free. 2 free. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Some of them are still stuck at the other end. Something's still stuck. Okay. I can't actually see that I'm going to be able to carry this downstairs. It's so delicate. You've got to turn it over. There we are. Let's lift the camera up a bit. Okay, so... oh yes. Well, it works. You see the wave goes along and comes back again, and Gosh, is that just me moving my hand doing that? I do believe it's attracted. Yeah, it's electrostatically attracted to my hand. I just can't imagine where I can put this that it'll be safe. This is so delicate. I'll see if I can get any different camera angles. I've got to say, what I found was interesting was the electrostatic attraction. That was unexpected as well. So, what am I going to do with it now? Because I daren't move it. Well, I'll just put that there again. That is a complete success. I didn't expect it to work, and it did. Because the filament going across there, using that just fascinated me, the idea of even trying to do that. Fascinating. Well, for the time being, it's going to live on top of my shelf unit there, in that empty fish tank. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.